This is downward facing dog. You're going to tuck your toes, press through your feet to lift your hips up towards the sky, and then your chest is going to move back towards your thighs. Make sure your head is completely relaxed. And you may want to pedal out your feet to just loosen up your hamstrings and your calves. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and let the heels drop down towards the mat. And your knees can be bent here to allow your back to flatten. And then hold here. If you want more of a stretch in your hamstrings, straighten out just slightly to where you feel a stretch. You don't want to force it so much to where you start to shift your weight in your hands. And then take 5 breaths here, inhaling through your nose and exhaling either through your nose or your mouth. And then once you've reached those 5 breaths, come back down to your knees. And then you're going to repeat this 5 times. So inhale, lift your hips up. And then exhale. And then go to 5 more breaths.